Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will see how to use your voice in Suno AI. If you want to add your own voice to Suno AI, then here how it works. First go to suno.com and log in. Once inside, click on create and then hit upload audio. You can either choose an existing file from your device or record fresh audio directly in the browser. After recording, click the check mark and then upload the file. Once uploaded, name your audio file and click continue. It will now appear in your project list. To generate a full track, select extend. Then add your lyrics. Choose a music style and give your project a title. Hit extend again and Suno will start generating a new song using your voice and input. You are allowed up to 60 seconds of singing per sample and can input up to 3000 characters of lyrics. The results are surprisingly creative, and Suno does a great job building full track based on your custom voice sample. Final thoughts. Suno AI make it super easy to create music using your own voice. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.